All right, good morning, guys. Today is August 11th, and we are headed to one of the best car shows or car meets in LA called Sunset GT. It's held in West Hollywood, and it's got to have probably the best collection of cars that shows up all the time. Definitely one of the best meets. We're gonna head out right now. It is, what time is it? It's 8:15, so I'm actually gonna be early to this meet. Usually I come a little later, but today I'm gonna see what it feels like to get there early, where there's not so much of a crowd yet, and then let's film some awesome cars coming into the event rather than coming late. So, all right, let's go. Hey guys, so we're almost there, and it's only like 8:54. The show's supposed to start at 9, and I'm already in a line. Look at this. Hold on here. Check out the lineup, guys. Can you see? There we go. Back to the front. Let's zoom in a little bit. Got quite a few people. Check that out. Alright, look at the crowd. There's the crowd. Pretty insane. Look at this. He's coming in. Wow. This is right at 9 o'clock. Hey, morning.
Down below.
Wow, already?
Yeah.
Shit. Wow, look at this. Wow. There we go. Look at all this. So yeah, we are here. It's pretty crazy that we're already at the downstairs lot here, the lower lot. You can see behind me there's a lot of nice cars already being asked to park down here. And we're gonna be going up there to the upper deck. Wow, here we are, folks. And one of my favorite cars, the Ferrari F40 here. Look at the crowd around it. Wow.
You got it? It's a Ferrari motorcycle. I got.
Wow.
The ones two on the sides are the first ones.
Yeah.
The middle one is the new one. You see, the middle one is bigger.
Nice.
But look at the middle one. It's a good size. So the black and silver.
Too bad Tesla didn't design their cars looking like this.
I know, right?
There we go.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Oh, look at it. It's like a LaFerrari though.
Yeah,
no?
it looks beautiful.
It's exactly like a LaFerrari though.
That's so nice.
It's butterfly opening.
I'm asking if they got the idea from the LaFerrari. Because they do.
This is how the Rimac opens up, folks.
No, it's a nice car.
Nice. That looks great. Much more improved than the last generation.
No sitting in this car. No sitting?
stripes on the wheels?
Yeah, red, the blue, and the white.
Well, that's Aston Martin. You gotta follow 8:15 to 9. Show up.
Steve
You're coming
here.
at 10 o'clock.
What's up? What's up? See, when you're on DDE, he doesn't have to follow rules. He can wake up late. We can say be ready at 8 o'clock for departure, and when you're on Alex Choi time, it's 10 o'clock. You see? But here,
that's what you're gonna
nice.
get.
I'm wondering what they're gonna do with him.
What are they
They're
gonna do?
they're not a
gonna
fan.
make them park like the regular people have to park down the street.
There's nothing downstairs.
That's right.
You gotta go park on Hollywood Boulevard.
You know what the thing with that guy is, though? He's gonna figure. In a few minutes, he'll be in here. Somehow or another,
he's gonna come back.
The other door.
He's gonna
figure it
get
out.
it from the
He's
other
like
one.
stealth, man, like ninja style, right?
All right, guys, that's it. It is 11 o'clock. I've been here for at least 2 hours. Gonna head on out. Hopefully, you guys can enjoy the footage. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That'll really help me out. All right, and hopefully, I'll post some more cool stuff for you guys. All right, out of here.